Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the DPI levels on Razer Basilisk Ultimate. And to do this you'll need to download Razer Synapse app on your PC. Inside, click on your Razer Basilisk Ultimate and then go for Performance. Inside we can see all of the DPI stages. Here you can adjust the number of them, so you can change between 2 to 5 stages. You can click on each of the stage to adjust the DPI for it. So for example, we're gonna go for stage 1 and I want 1000 right here. You can also click right here to enter the text value of the number. And you can also disable entirety of sensitivity stages. That way you only have one DPI level on your mouse. Now another thing is to enable X and Y, and here you'll be able to change the direction of DPI speed for direction of your mouse. So X will increase the movement speed when you go left to right, and Y will increase it in up and down. There's a pulling rate, and right here I would recommend to set it to 1000. This changes how frequently your mouse will update data to your PC, and the best value is 1000. And that's basically all of the DPI settings on this mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.